Okay, so why don't you summarize what we've done so far?
So we've done the cases with 2 and with 3 squares total.
Okay.
And we found that they all have one answer.
Alright. Is that a surprise to you?
Well, we said how it was worded, it was going to be one answer, most likely.
It seemed like it was going to have one answer, and as we've tested a few cases, it seems like, indeed,
it should have one answer.
there's an answer.
So maybe we could try this 27 or whatever, 23 and 34 case, since it doesn't seem to matter what way we do it. Like, in what way we remove these, we should all get the same answer.
We could do that, yeah. I suspect that would probably take a long time, but we can try it if you want.
Yeah, I mean, we don't need to use the squares. We may have enough.
Okay. Well, what do we have? 23 and 34.
Yeah.
So we have white. Let's make a little chart. Black and white. Start with 23.
23 white.
Oh, 23 white. And 34 black.
Well, there's only going to be a couple options. You can either pick, first you can, there's only 3 options. You can either pick black, or black, white, or you can pick black, white.
But either way, it shouldn't affect our answer.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna keep this simple, and you pick all of the blacks out in the groups of 2.
Okay.
To whittle it down to 17 blacks. So because you pick out the 34 blacks in groups of 2, and you put a black back in for each of those groups.
Okay, so you could do it one at a time, but eventually you'll be down to
17.
17 and 23.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, actually, I guess while I'm doing that at the same time, I can do the yellows. Actually, no, I'll do that later. Then I can do that again, except that I have to leave one. I can't do it in one black.
So you do it for 8 pairs of 2. So it'd be down to 9.
So I have 9. And then I can do it again. I would have 4 pairs. So then I'd be down to 5. And then to 3. And then to 2. And then to 1. So I can whittle the blacks down so that I'm left with 1 black. We're having not touched the yellows yet.
Okay.
Well, for every time you do this with the whites, then you're going to add another black in. So you'd have to leave 1 yellow in, and you'd have 11 pairs of 2 yellows. So it'd add another 11 blacks.
So it would put me at 12. Let me just give me some more space. So I'd have 1 yellow. 1 yellow and 12 blacks.
But they're whites.
Or yeah, one white, 12 blacks.
Okay.
Then go down to 6, and then to 3, and then to 2, and then 1. And then that leaves me with 1 and 1.
And that would result in a white.
Means that.
Okay. So we worked it through with the, we worked it all the way through one way, and found that we got left with a white. And we suspect that there might only be one way to do this.
Yeah.
Sorry, only one answer at the end. But obviously, with What do we start with? 23 and
23 and
34.
Yeah.
You got lots and lots and lots of choices.
Well, yeah.
So let's try to figure out why there's only